Every morning when you go to work, you assume you are generating revenue for your company. But what if I told you that you deliver your highest profit margin the day you stop breathing? This is the Prince's Ledger. Today, we examine one of capitalism's darkest secrets: how billion-dollar corporate giants build tax-free fortunes upon your death. The official name of this system is Corporate-Owned Life Insurance, or COLI. However, the nickname used by Wall Street bankers behind closed doors is far more honest and ruthless. Dead Peasant Insurance. Hundreds of thousands of minimum wage employees continue to stock shelves and stand at cash registers every day, completely unaware that their mortality has been turned into a massive stock exchange. The system operates with mathematical perfection. Giant retail chains and banks secretly purchase life insurance policies on behalf of thousands of their lowest-ranking workers. The company pays the premiums, but here is the critical detail. The beneficiary of the insurance, the party that collects the payout upon death, is not the worker's family, but the corporation itself. In most cases, the worker has absolutely no idea that hundreds of thousands of dollars are being bet on their life. Corporations use these policies not just as a safety net, but as profitable financial derivatives on their balance sheets. As long as the worker is alive, they are a cost to the company, but when they die, they become a risk-free bond that instantly converts to cash. The real tragedy and the true face of the system emerge when that ordinary worker falls ill and passes away. Their family is in deep mourning, dragged into a swamp of debt, just to afford hospital bills and funeral expenses. At that exact moment, in a gleaming plaza miles away, a multi-million-dollar check quietly arrives at the company's human resources department. The corporation may not have even sent a wreath to the deceased worker's funeral, yet it has secured a massive cash flow from their death. The darkest part of this equation is that, thanks to legal loopholes, the millions of dollars in revenue generated from this death are collected entirely tax-free from the government. This is not a conspiracy theory, it is a fully legal corporate policy well documented in court records. To these corporations, employees are not individuals with emotions or families, they are simply an asset class labeled human capital. Just as a company claims depreciation when a machine breaks down, the exact same principle applies when you die. Dead Peasant Insurance is the most blood-chilling proof that in the modern world, the value of human life is measured strictly by the profit and loss margins on an Excel spreadsheet. To discover the ruthless mathematics of corporate power and the backdoors of the system, subscribe to the Prince's Ledger, because lives may end, but the ledger never lies.